Hello, in this video I will show you how to change the color of bullet points in Canva. Now it's an extremely easy process. So what you have to do is firstly just open your Canva. Now as you can see I already have some bullet points for example. Now there are two types of ways how you can change the color of a bullet point. So the first option is just simply highlight the entire text as you can see right over here. Simply highlight it starting from the bullet point right over here. You might not see it highlighted as you can see right over here, but it is highlighted. All you have to do is click on this text option and choose whatever color you want. And as you can see, the color is changed. So this is the first option. You can highlight the entire thing like this and then change the color. Do whatever you want. And then you can change the color of the entire bullet point. Now, if you only want to change the bullet point color and not the text, what you can do is just simply remove the color of the text first. And then you will only have the bullet point. Or if you just simply want the bullet point changed, just simply try to highlight the bullet point. So click on the text right over here and highlight only the bullet point by going backward like this. Then try to change the color. So just simply highlight the bullet point like this and choose whatever color you want. As you can see right over here. Do the exact thing for the second one as well. And then you can change the color of that as well, as you can see right over here. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.